the one skill that will multiply your success tenfold in 2026. Imagine this. Two people start the year with the same goals, same intelligence, same tools, same opportunities. By December, one of them is thriving. New job, new connections, new confidence. The other, still watching how to be successful videos at 2 a.m. What separated them? Not luck, not talent, not who they knew. Just one skill, the single most valuable multiplier of success in 2026. And no, it's not AI, it's not time management, it's something much more human. Introduction. Setting the stage. The world is changing faster than ever. Technology is evolving by the minute. Industries are transforming. Even job titles that didn't exist 5 years ago are now mainstream. But there's one constant. People who can adapt, think clearly, and connect the dots always win. So what's the one skill that multiplies your success tenfold in 2026? Strategic adaptability. It's the ability to think ahead, pivot fast, and use change as fuel instead of fear. Because in 2026, success isn't about knowing everything. It's about learning anything, quickly. Part 1. The core idea. What is strategic adaptability? Let's break it down. Strategic adaptability sounds fancy, but it's simple. It means staying flexible without losing direction. It's not reacting to change, it's preparing for it. It's being the kind of person who can walk into chaos, scan the room, and say, all right, here's how we make this work. Think of it like surfing. You can't control the waves, but you can learn to ride them. That's adaptability. But strategic adaptability, that's knowing which wave to ride and why. Part 2. Why this skill matters more than ever in 2026. Let's be real. In 2026, the rules of success have changed. AI tools are everywhere. Knowledge is free. Everyone has access to the same information. So why do some people grow faster than others? Because most people freeze when things change. Strategic thinkers flow. They don't complain when an industry shifts. They find the next opportunity inside it. They don't panic when tools evolve. They learn to use them before anyone else does. The people who will win in 2026 aren't the ones with the most experience. They're the ones who can rebuild their map while still moving forward. Part 3. Real-life example. The two professionals. Let's make this real. Meet Lena and Adam. Both are graphic designers. When AI design tools exploded, Lena said, well, that's it. Robots are taking over my job. She stopped learning, stopped adapting, and by mid-year, her clients had moved on. Adam, on the other hand, got curious. He learned to use AI with his design skills, not against them. He started offering AI-assisted branding to clients. Faster work, better quality, lower prices. Now he's booked for months, same background, same tools, different mindset. Adam wasn't smarter. He was strategically adaptable. Part 4. The psychology of adaptability. Here's the interesting part. Adaptability isn't just a skill. It's a mindset built on 3 beliefs. 1. Change is not the enemy. It's the environment. You can't fight it. You can only learn to navigate it. 2. Learning never stops. Adaptable people treat curiosity like a muscle. They ask, what else can I understand, instead of, why is this happening to me? 3. Feedback is gold. They don't take criticism personally. They take it strategically. Every piece of feedback becomes data for improvement. This is the hidden advantage of adaptability. It trains your brain to evolve instead of defend. Part 5. The strategy, how to build strategic adaptability. So how do you develop this life-changing skill? Let's get practical. Step 1. Anticipate change before it hits. Don't wait for the storm. Study trends. Ask, what's the next big shift in my industry? Read, experiment, stay alert. You don't need to predict the future, just prepare for possibilities. Step 2. Learn in microbursts. In 2026, learning is no longer about degrees. It's about micro-skill. Ellis, instead of saying, I'll take a 6-month course, say, I'll master 1 tool this week. Small learning sprints build adaptability. Step 3. Audit yourself quarterly. Just like businesses do quarterly reviews, do the same for your life. Ask, what's working, what's outdated, what needs innovation? Step 4. Surround yourself with growth thinkers. The fastest way to adapt. Be around people who do it naturally. Curiosity is contagious. So is stagnation. Step 5. Embrace discomfort as data. When something feels hard or uncertain, that's your cue. You're standing at the doorway of growth. Walk through it. Part 6. Humor realism segment. Let's be honest. Adaptability doesn't mean you have to love change. Nobody wakes up excited that their favorite app updated its layout again. We all roll our eyes, sigh dramatically, and say, why do they keep changing this? But strategic adaptability is when you say that and then still learn the new layout before lunch. You don't have to enjoy change, you just have to outsmart it. Because here's the truth. In 2026, stubbornness is expensive. Adaptability pays dividends. Part 7. The deeper theory, why it multiplies success. Strategic adaptability multiplies success because it compounds learning. Every time you adapt, you gain meta skills, problem solving, emotional control, creative thinking. Those meta skills make every future change easier. It's like compound interest for your mind. Each adaptation you make adds a layer of flexibility, and before long, you become unstoppable. That's why some people seem to get lucky over and over. They're not lucky, they're positioned. They've trained themselves to recognize patterns, pivot fast, and make smart moves before others even notice the opportunity. Conclusion: bringing it all together. So, the one skill that will multiply your success tenfold in 2026. It's not coding, it's not marketing, it's not even networking. It's strategic adaptability, the ability to keep your balance when the ground shifts. In a world of constant change, the adaptable don't just survive, they accelerate. Because while everyone else is complaining about how fast the world is moving, you'll already be building something new. So ask yourself, how can I become more adaptable today? What can I learn, unlearn, or reinvent this week? Because the people who master adaptability in 2026, they won't just win. They'll redefine what winning looks like. If this message helped you think differently about your growth, hit subscribe, because in the next video, we'll talk about how to turn adaptability into unstoppable momentum. The future won't wait, so neither should you.